Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. Welcome back to another new video. In this video I'll show you how to scan a document and make PDF in Honor Play 11 Plus. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.